Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has announced plans for a robust Niger Delta Summit scheduled for July this year. Conceived to bring together a wide range of stakeholders, including community leaders, youth groups, and women representatives, the summit will deliberate on strategies for driving rapid and inclusive growth across the Niger Delta region. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, shared this update during the 6th meeting of the National Council on Niger Delta held last week in Asaba, the capital of Delta State. According to Dr. Ubuku, the summit is an affirmation of the NDDC's commitment to transparency and accountability in service across the region.
The gathering, which brought together representatives from the 9 states of the region, was organized by the Ministry of Niger Delta Development in partnership with the Delta State Government and the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, with the theme, Stimulating Strategies for Economic Growth and Development in the Niger Delta region. Speaking at the event, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was represented by the Minister of Steel Development, Prince Shuaibu Abubakar Audu, said the meeting was timely as it aligns with his administration's commitment to the overall development of the Niger Delta region.
The Renewed Hope agenda encompasses much more than driving economic growth in Nigeria. It is about creating jobs, millions of jobs, improving education, healthcare, and reducing poverty, and building a more just and equitable society for all Nigerians.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, while highlighting the successes of the Commission, said the Commission will leverage its partnership initiative to deliver high-impact and transformative projects, as well as programs that will promote socio-economic gains across the region.
The funds available to the NDDC alone cannot really develop the Niger Delta, so we also need external funds too. Since we had the PPP summit, a lot of persons have actually tried to subscribe to see how we can partner together to do things together. We are reviewing most of those partnerships. Some of them are local partnerships, some of them are intergovernmental partnerships, and we are very, very open to state governments who are willing to partner with us to ensure that these projects serve the people of the Niger Delta.
Dr. Ubuku, who stated NDDC's renewed commitment to transparency and accountability, also disclosed that plans are underway for a robust discussion on the future of the region.
We are putting ourselves forward before our people for accountability. We just finished with the youth. The next set will be Niger Delta women, and after the Niger Delta women, we'll now talk about the leaders in the Niger Delta. All these we are doing as prelude to the proposed Niger Delta Summit, which we are planning, which is going to come up in July this year. So in that summit, the people of the Niger Delta will have an opportunity to also discuss the future of the Niger Delta and the future of the NDDC. We will all agree if the act we have today is serving us well or if it needs to be amended.
Earlier, Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, noted that the council will work with other stakeholders to improve the living condition of the people of the region in line with President Tinubu's Renewed Hope agenda.
To make sure that focus is on critical road projects, which I say, if you have opportunity to see what is in this year's budget, and once it is approved, you will go and sleep. You know that NDDC has arrived.
For his part, the governor of Delta State and the host of the 2-day event, Right Honorable Sheriff Oboriowori, emphasized the critical role of NDDC in ensuring accelerated progress in the region.
Economic diversity is key to our growth aspirations. Hence, I welcome ideas on how we can reposition our agricultural sector as well as attract the needed investment to our critical social and economic infrastructure.
Governor Uzodinma of Imo State and representatives of other governors from the region were unanimous in their submission for a Niger Delta-specific needs assessment and development blueprints, as well as a collective resolve that will provide succor to the people and ensure economic gains beyond just discussions, recommendations, and communiques. Stakeholders at the event also called for concerted effort to tackle the debilitating security situation in the region through genuine and sustainable youth engagement initiatives.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,